What's going on, guys? Welcome back finally to the Marcoon13 YouTube channel. Look, I know it has been a long time since I've made a video, and I want to explain to you guys here really quickly why that has been. Let's get right to it. First of all, I'm in one of my favorite spots here overlooking the ocean. It's a beautiful time of night, and there's no better time to be in San Diego here in summertime, where it's just beautiful out. You guys can see the night is perfect, clear skies right now, perfect temperature. But anyways, putting all that aside, so as you guys may have noticed, I haven't been posting a lot on YouTube lately, or even really Instagram for that matter. Few reasons for that. First reason, and the biggest reason, is really work. Wait for the airplane to go. If you guys saw my video a little while back about investing in real estate to get to the Corvette, that's what I've been working on a lot lately. So I did just pick up my first rental property. It's closing right now. It's in Florida. It's already rented. Can't wait to share that with you guys. Funny quick story actually about that property. They send us a list of properties basically that are rented that they feel will be good cash flow income producing properties. And funny enough, there was a property in Florida that I bought that's on Zora Street. Zora! The whole reason I'm buying rental properties is so I could buy the next mid-engine Corvette. Funny enough, Zora Duntov is considered the father of the Corvette. He was the guy who originally wanted to make a mid-engine Corvette. So I kind of just took that as like, hey, this must be a lucky house. So I bought that one instead of the other ones. And I think it's a sign, guys, that I have to now get the mid-engine Corvette since I have a house that is on Zora Street. Well, if not, I'm still gonna buy one anyways. Second reason, I just had a 6-month-long diet for a fitness competition that me and a couple buddies were doing. It was something that was just really important to me that I kind of wanted to push myself to do, and just on the weekends I had zero energy. I know that's a terrible reason, but I couldn't really go out and do much. I was trying to rest my body a lot there at the end. That is over and done with. I beat my buddies, so I'm back to burritos every day, full energy. So again, that's gonna be another sign of, hey, let's get started making these videos again. And the third, and probably the most significant reason, I would say, is just that I haven't had a ton going on here with my car. Again, a good amount of funds are going into that property, so I haven't really been buying a ton of car stuff because I want to just continue to buy properties. So I haven't been throwing thousands of dollars into my Camaro like I probably would if I wasn't going to be buying properties. And then on top of that, there just hasn't been a lot of interesting stuff going on in the car community. I mean, we're still waiting on a ZR1 time for the Nürburgring. The 2019 Camaro is ugly as fuck. It's just kind of been a lull in car news and stuff going on, in my opinion. I just kind of been disinterested lately. But again, I'm really excited to be back on video here with you guys. We're gonna be hitting the regular schedule here soon, going out to all the events. I know summertime is coming up. It's just after CamaroCon, I don't know what was going on. I just kind of, you know, fell off, and there weren't many events that have been happening recently, and just, it is what it is. No excuses, you know what I mean? So, hope you guys enjoyed the video. Like I said, I will be making more here very shortly, so stay tuned for that, guys. And most importantly, I'll catch you guys on the next one. Woo!